Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you a very wonderful tool that a lot of people make use of, but which is not very popular to everybody anyway. So hopefully I can put you on some wonderful tool. So this is a wonderful website. It's called Profile Pic Maker, and it's going to help you create some awesome profile pictures. And so let's go ahead. I'll just show you how it works. The first thing you want to do is to go to pfpmaker.com, and as you can see down here, it's producing so many profile pictures, and it's going to help you create an awesome profile picture completely for free. So all you have to do is come on here to this website. You can see so many popular backers already enjoy this platform, and I myself I really enjoy it. 10 million users, 500 million profile pictures. Man, it's crazy. It's having amazing numbers, and just as you can see, it's going to help you build some amazing images with some good backgrounds and quality. So let's just get to it so that you really see what I'm talking about and why so many people enjoy this website. So all you need to do is come here, click on the big Start Now button, and choose a picture of your choice in your gallery. And so it's going now to take its time to generate you not one, not two, but a huge amount of profile pictures that you can use to update on your WhatsApp status, on your Facebook profile, and wherever you like. And so as you can see, it doesn't take that much time, but check that out. So this is just a random picture I found on the internet from a model. So as you can see, look at what it does. It changes your background. It puts some very creative backgrounds. It does a good job to really identify your face and really crop you out, and really use so many creative backgrounds. Check that out. Aren't these beautiful? And it already shows you the circular nature of it, as it's going to be shown on your profiles. You know, you have different profiles, have some circles, and so it's going to already show you how it's done. So this website is geared towards updating your profile picture only. It's not trying to do everything at the same time, but it has just chosen its niche, and it focuses on doing that. So there are a lot of wonderful backgrounds, a lot of effects that it puts on its pictures. Check this one out, that really makes your picture stand out. And so there are so many. You can see the scroll bar is still at the top. There are so many you can choose from. Different contexts, different environments, different exposures, different effects. And so you just keep on scrolling on and on and on. So right now we've reached at the end, but you can already see we have seen a whole bunch of pictures with amazing backgrounds. So if you want to get something, if you've seen something you enjoy, you can just go ahead and hover over it, select download. You can either download in a circular form or in a square shape. So you can also see it, maybe that particular picture you're trying to see it. It's already showing you how it's going to appear on your different profiles. it's amazing, this website. So definitely you should use this website to really update your profile picture, give it a more modern vibe, give it a more lively vibe, and not just a still image you just got from your gallery. So I hope you make use of this website, because it's not all. I mean, there are some customization options you can go ahead and do if you want it to be more creative, if you want some more professional. There are all types of things, so you can go ahead and even edit it, replace the photo, reset, rotate, scale, and so many other details you can really put in there. So I hope you make use of this website to really update your profiles, update your pictures all around your different social medias, and really give them a way more modern vibe. So this is just a little gem of a website I discovered. I hope you enjoy it. I hope this is going to be useful for you, and catch you on the next video.